I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no, ma'am.
We've got a truly unbelievable one today. A self-proclaimed sovereign citizen gets firmly handled by a judge during a court hearing for driving without insurance. She insists the law doesn't apply to her because she doesn't recognize herself as a citizen, ignoring all legal reasoning. Despite her repeated arguments, the judge remains composed and completely shuts down each of her claims. It's a courtroom moment you have to see to believe. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's dive in.
State your name for the record, please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, not this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
as
or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. It has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Is she actually serious? This individual is trying to get her entire case dismissed by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. How does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're agreeing to follow the laws, plain and simple. That includes having valid insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of made-up legal theories is going to change that. What do you all think? Should sovereign citizens be held more accountable, or do they actually have a point?
Your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate,
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Things are about to get even more intense than the last hearing. This individual completely loses her composure as the judge calmly breaks down each of her arguments. Honestly, it's hard to understand her mindset. She claims it's difficult to get car insurance, as if it's part of some hidden agenda. But insurance exists to protect everyone on the road, and the judge is about to lay down some solid facts. As the exchange continues, she just keeps digging herself deeper. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's jump into the next hearing.
Have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Vieira Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Vieira Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact. Listen.
Every time a sovereign citizen uses the phrase attorney of fact, it just leaves me shaking my head. They treat it like some kind of magic phrase that's going to win their case, but that's simply not how the legal system works. If this woman truly wants to represent herself or claim to act on behalf of some made-up entity, she'd need something real, like a valid attorney license with a P number. You can't just walk into a courtroom and make up your own rules. Honestly, some of these sovereign citizens seem completely disconnected from reality.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Vieira Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? John Vieira Williams, are you present twice? John Vieira Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vieira Williams, the agent.
Okay. So John Vieira Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Vieira Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Vieira Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Let me know whose side you're on in this court hearing, the sovereign citizen or the side of common sense. Personally, I'm all for how the judge handled the situation. She stayed calm, firmly stated the law, and didn't let any of the confusion or misinformation slide, which is exactly how it should be. Sometimes you see judges give in or entertain these arguments, and honestly, that doesn't help anyone. It's usually best to stay focused and keep the courtroom on track. But what do you think? Did the judge handle it perfectly, or should she have been even tougher? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching and take care.